Crafting wire jewelry is much easier than it looks, and I found some easy DIY jewelry to show you. So let's jump into it, but first let's review the supplies that you'll need. You're going to need some wire wrapping tools. These are like needle nose pliers, but they have a complete round tip. They're very handy for making little curlies. I also have another pair, and it's just a little bit smaller of a round tip. It also grips a little bit better. You want to have some clippers to clip your wire with. I like to have something flat in case I need to squish something together. So wire's not that expensive. You can get it at craft stores, you can get it at hardware stores. Another thing that I use is a jig. It's a wire jig, and basically these little pins that you can push into these holes. You can make a design for the jewelry. Making rings is a great way to start. Besides the tools mentioned earlier, I also suggest a ring sizer, but if you don't have one, a dowel will do. You can create all sorts of little designs in your ring before you close off the raw ends. In addition, you can place little jewels or rocks in your wrapping for added flair. Thank you so much for continuing to watch. The channel's name is Ms. Angela Sawyer, and my name is Angela. It's nice to have you here. With a few bins and an earring attachment, you can make some very unique and beautiful earrings. Use the wire jig to create any design you want. If you're looking for anything creative, you will find it on my channel. When I began creating wire jewelry, I started out with making rock pendants. It's just as fun to find the rocks as it is to make jewelry out of them. I encourage you to check out my entire rock wrapping video. I will link it at the end. I also post videos about arts and crafts, wig vids, furniture redesign, ideas, and so much more. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on another creative video. I upload daily, and if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for your continued support. Hitting the thumbs up button would help push my video out to others who also might enjoy this type of content. Here are some clips from my wire wrapping video. I encourage you to watch the entire video to learn more on how to do this craft. It is a lot of fun and you can create some really beautiful items. I have a bonus clip at the end for you, but before we part ways, I wanted to thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful, fantastic day. I will see you in the next video tomorrow, and peace out.
In fact, I almost got into an accident because of shiny things. I was at the espresso place getting my espresso before work, and I was getting ready to pull out onto the street, and I saw this really super shiny red Coca-Cola truck, and I was like, oh my gosh, that truck is so shiny, and I almost pulled out without looking. I don't know.